Hey everybody, I, architect Moksha Bhatia, is back with another interesting video. Today I will be covering the 3 landmark urban spaces of my favorite city, that is Chandigarh. So let's get started. Designed by renowned Swiss-French architect Corbusier, Chandigarh became the vision of Jawahar Lal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Nestled in the Shivaliks mountains, Chandigarh is regarded as one of India's finest examples of 20th century modern architecture and urban planning. The gradually sloping plains that are home to Chandigarh today were once a large lake surrounded by marshes. The Chandi Mandir temple, which is close to the location chosen for the city, is the source of Chandigarh's name. The deity Chandi, the goddess of power, and a fort of Garh laying beyond the temple gave the city its name, Chandigarh, the city beautiful. The region was a part of the vast and rich Punjab province from the medieval to the contemporary eras. In 1947, the province was partitioned into East and West Punjab. In addition to becoming the capital of East Punjab, the city was intended to house thousands of refugees who had been evacuated from West Punjab. After consulting with the Indian government, the Punjab government decided in March 1948 to establish the new capital in the Shivalik foothills. The foundation stone of the city was laid in 1952. The master planning of Chandigarh was done by a famous Swiss-French architect, Corbusier. He prepared the master plan of Chandigarh with Capitol Complex as the head in Sector 1. He designed the city on 4 major functions: living, working, care of the body and spirit, and circulation. Uttar Marg divides Sector 1 from other sectors. Now let's discuss the famous urban space of Chandigarh, the Capitol Complex, the head of the city. The Capitol Complex comprises 3 architectural masterpieces: the Secretariat, the High Court, and the Legislative Assembly, separated by large piazzas. The open hand, the official emblem of Chandigarh, a massive metallic sculpture representing the city's motto of open to give, open to receive, is located in the center of Capitol Complex. Visually and symbolically, the Capitol Complex is the focal point of the city. The complex represents all 3 components of democracy: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The assembly represents the legislature, the secretariat represents the administration, while the high court represents the judiciary. Sector 1 also consists of Rock Garden, which is one of the major tourist attractions of Chandigarh. It was designed by Padam Shri Nek Chand as a vast open-air museum that showcases a vast array of natural rock forms and stones. The concept of the Rock Garden is based on the fantasy of the Lost Kingdom. Another landmark of Chandigarh is the famous Sukhna lake. It is an artificial lake at the foothills of Shivalik Hills created in 1958. In 1988, the Ministry of Environment and Forest Government of India recognized Sukhna Lake as one of the national wetlands that needed priority for the conservation. These 3 urban spaces hold utmost significance in Chandigarh as they represent the city. Preserving them is important as they are connected to the modern heritage of the Chandigarh. So do visit Sector 1 in Chandigarh, and if you are the citizen living there, it is my request that you maintain the area by keeping it neat and clean. So that's all for today. I will be back with another interesting video. Do like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the video. Till then, bye everyone. Thanks for watching.